Karong buntaga sa Spotlight, mga kapuso, atong duawon ang dakbayan sa Ormoc sa atong silingang probinsya sa Leyte. Kay karong bag-o, nagpahigayon ni sila sa ilang nagsaulog sa ilang kapiestahan, mga kapuso, og syempre ang gikahinaman nga pinya ang ilang gibida. Usa sa ilang mga kalihukan rong bag-o, mga kapuso, ang gipahigayon nila nga mga festival dolls nga competition diha sa Ormoc City. Mao makauban nato karong buntaga, organizer ning maong kalihukan, mga kapuso, presidente sa Ormoc Festival and Cultural Foundation, si Ma'am Estrella Serafika Panghilinan. Good morning, Ma'am Tiling. Welcome sa programa. How are you this morning, Ma'am?
Good morning, Nico. I'm very good. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me and having me in your program. Salamat kayo.
Kumusta, Ma'am, so far inyong assessment sa bag-uhay lang yung napahigayon ng makalihukan, subay of course sa Piña Festival sa Ormoc?
Pag-start na mo, ani, people were kind of hesitant, no? And then, so I was hoping, if I just get 30 entries, may nakaayo na. But, you know, overwhelmingly, we got 99 DAL entries, no? And then, that is excluding the DepEd category and the Piña Festival School categories, no? So, in total, we had 119 DALs to choose from. Tourism and I came up with the DALs. So, and then they log in sa computer, sa internet, naman yung mga DAL competition. So that's how it came about.
Ano naman mo mga dolls, good, Ma'am, atong kanon karon?
Well, number one, guwapa ang dolls. Then second, daghan kay ang top tal. You know, the good side that this pandemic has done is daghan kay mga talents na cultivate, di ba? You're in your house, you're doing something, and then one of those, nakakita ko, even the congresswoman, she is into, you know, sewing or whatever. So, nakahuna-huna po niya na, ito, no, why will we not make something out of this? So, you know, ang mga entries, mga 15-year-old, ay mga kanang homebody who came up with the beautiful designs of the doll. So, usa po to sa among i-consider. And then, ang doll, siguro, dako na kaayo, if you want really the nice dolls, you can buy Barbie dolls. Pila man na 700, 800 pesos. Dali kay ma-afford. And palit kag material. Dako na kay ang 1/4 meter for the, you know, for the costume. So, it was kind of less expensive and then nice, and then you can keep it.
Pagkanindot gyud sa mga entries, Ma'am, no? So, the judges had a hard time gyud to choose our winners.
And then I think you would be proud na the second prize winner is from Cebu City. Yes, the second, you know, there were 3 categories, Nico, no? Open category, that's where we had 99 entries. Then open, when you say open, ay Cebu, ay Samar, ay Tabango, ay Isabel, ay Camotes. So, then you have the DepEd clusters, wherein we have 10 districts here, so each district gave 1 DAL.
Para ninyo, Ma'am Tiling, usa ka importante ning maong kalihukan diha sa inyo sa Ormoc, og this is the first time pa man sa mga festival dolls, Ma'am. Magpadayon ni sa sunod nga mga katuigan?
Yes, very happy to say na pag-ribbon cutting ni Mayor o ni Congresswoman, without me telling her, and it was, you know, she answered my plea sa akong message na I hope this would be an ongoing thing, and she said it in her message na from now on, this will be added to the Piña Festival activities as the years to come.
Ma'am Tiling, sa mga wala pa katilaw, coming from you diha sa Ormoc, nganong gipasigarbo maginyog ayo ang pinya gikan sa inyong lugar?
Growing up in Ormoc, we have the pineapple, no, and it's called queen pineapple, right? Ang usa gid nimo nga maano niko is, well, it's sweet, it's not so big, it's just the right size, and second, you know, once an Ormocano and not Ormocano eat the pineapple. The real Ormocanos eat the queen pineapple with the subok, with the buko inside. Wa gyud mabilin sa pinya.
To cap this off, Ma'am Tiling, karong buntaga unsay mensahe nimo nga buot ipaambit sa atong mga viewers?
Thank you, Cebu, for submitting entries. No, there were a lot of entries from Cebu, and you took I think, 2 second prizes, one from the Piña Festival entries and one for the open category. So thank you, Cebu. You have always been a friend and a sisterhood to us, no, to Ormoc, and thank you so much. And of course, if you have time, you know, Ormoc is not just it's not far from where you are. You can come here in fast craft, in big boat, or hopefully next we can already have the airline working for us. But anyway, thank you for always being there, and I hope that you would continue to partner with us. Give us time, give us exposure in your radio programs or in whatever capacity you can. So thank you Cebu, and thank you Nico.
Thank you Sab so much for joining us this morning, ma'am. Pagpaambit sa atong mga gipasigarbo diha sa Ormoc City. Makapuso si Ma'am Estrella Panghilinan. Salamat, ma'am.
Salamat Nico. Good morning to everyone.
Thank you po. Good morning.